All right, guys. So a lot of you guys complain about not being able to get sales and not being able to do this or that. And I just want to show you something. So Ellie, co-owner of Become Graduates, my wife, business partner. I bought her an embroidery machine for Christmas. And she went and purchased all this inventory from Alibaba. And now, how long have you had it? Had your bark? What was it called? Bark pipe. How long have you had it for?
2 days, but I had it while waiting for my inventory a month, and I used dummy data and dummy products until. So these were the dummy ones. Right now, I am updating still my images. The ones hovering over are the ones I'm able to take pictures of the real product. So see how and notice how high resolution they are for your customers. I also went into deep detail and decided for the colors and also rubber instead of fabric. We're also going to get a spray to prevent for personalization when embroidery.
Yeah. So what we're doing is, because we have a dog of our own. Hey, Sky, say hi to everyone. And so what we're going to do is we're going to spray, so I think it's like a hydrophobic spray to, so that way people who go to the dog park with their dogs, they won't get as dirty, things, come off. And then we wanted to basically introduce customizations, because you all know, this is kind of like a print on demand product, but not really. And, everyone wants to personalize things. And we know very well all about the personalization in e-commerce, because a lot of our clients have custom products. So, it obviously there was an initial investment. I understand that not everyone has the money to spend $1,400 on inventory and then buy how much was this, like $800, but save up, come up with a plan. We're able to execute these things just because we've been in e-commerce for so long, and we work with a lot of well-known brands, and we learn from the industry. But you got to come up with a process and a plan and execute. Don't keep thinking about it. Just actually come up with a plan, write it down. And how many sales have you gotten so far?
3, 4. I think it will be 5.
5 sales.
5
now she didn't go and run ads. She went to a dog park. She takes our dog to the dog park every single day. She became part of the community. She learned what people want. She got to see, what kind of collars people have. She came across this product. And tell the story. What about the product? You found a competitor selling it.
I found a competitor selling it. I absolutely loved it. I found that no one else was selling it except this competitor. So then I decided to start going on free logo generator, Shopify logo generator, and then started coming up with my logo. It's playful, it's fun, and then from there, I went to Alibaba. I spoke for 2 weeks with this person, finding trustworthy. Should I go through it?
Yeah, sure. And if you guys want to see content of what the process is like to do this, let us know in the comments below, because, we really want to start producing content. And, while we are a development agency, we also want to actually start running a store finally. And that's what we're doing. We've taken the steps. We've already got sales. She designed her store. It took her, a couple days?
Yeah, it took me a couple of days, and now I'm perfecting it more, and it's going to take time with real content.
How did Ecomify help with designing your store?
It gave me, since I knew, back of my hand, how to configure, design it, it just helps me a lot. I can later on do variant meta fields. So if someone clicks on midnight, and I can have them... we're going to later do personalization. So preview, if they put in their name, they're going to see what it really looks like real time. It's just much easier to use. I loved how everything was mobile friendly.
Sky, it's you.
Sky. I loved how everything was just right there, and for me to design just like that.
How many apps did you have to use?
Right now, I think I only have, so I have the review app. This was from my previous store, T-Launch and Printify, when I attempted POD. I have my Klaviyo, Shine On I was attempting, so I'm going to remove this and remove these 3. So I will only have the default email and search. I don't even need search because I have a small catalog. So I'm going to remove this, and I'll really only have the Judge Me app, which you can also have Luke's or anything else as well.
So you don't even so with the Ecomify, you're able to design your store, you're able to get sales. You got your inventory, you have it personalized already with your logo on the product, and you're introducing personalization. And you did this in a couple days.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, you can do it. And if you guys want to see more content like this, like I said, just leave a comment below. This is the first time we kind of like wanted to start this kind of content. I know we're typically showing you guys tutorials on how to do this and that with Ecomify, or how to design your store, or snippets, but we really want to get into actually running the store. And we've tried a few other stores last year. Ellie also created her own dog treats that actually immediately had sales. So it's called pearlstreets.com. She also used to do candles. She had ellie'scandles.com, where she made her own homemade candles, and she instantly got sales. So guys, like, there's no secret sauce. It's just honestly coming up with a plan and executing. So until next time, guys, let us know what you think.